Okay. My project today is about type of movement. We happen to choose a movement that is called the divergent movement. This kind of movements happened in many years ago. We now we didn't experience this kind of 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 thing. Oh, I mean this kind of movements in this time, but in the earlier times, they are experiencing this kind of thing. Many years ago, we our land is all in one place. They are all in one supercontinental. This continent is called the Pangea. This Pangea was found by a geologist named Alfred Wegener. Alfred Wegener is a founder of this project. This project was published in the year of 1912, but he didn't have any evidence of why this is caused. His only evidence is this plants, what fossils like that, but he didn't know why until he died. And when he died, 50 years later, a geologist named Harry Hayman Hess came up with this idea to prove his idea, this project, that it is caused by those years. And his idea is like this, as you can see from here. From number one, his idea from number one is when the magma is wanted to be released, it went up, but it didn't have any place to go up and to be released, so it went down again and went down, and it cools down, and when it's reached up the bottom, it gets heat up again and went up. It's like an again and again, it do it again. Like you can picture a pot of soup that is been boiling, and you put a lid, and when you look at it, it's like a bubble, like it's a bubble flowing, and that happens when the heat came up and then came down and up, down. That is the picture of that idea. And when that is happening, the blades are moving away from each other, like separating from each other. When they are separating, when it gets bigger, it have a space. It have a space to be get out. When it see that it is free, it is time to be free. It get away. It's released. It is released, and when it is released, it can form a mountain. It's form a mountain, and this mountain is caused by that kind of movement. This is Harry has evidence for this idea. That is all from us. Any questions? No? No? Okay, thank you.